So if you are nagging and nagging and nagging and shouting, you are not helping your life. You're not helping your relationship. You're not even helping anybody in the relationship. So if you really want someone to hear what you're saying or your partner to hear what you are saying, you see men who are shouting and screaming that they are the head. You don't need to shout that you are the head in your relationship for your wife to know. You see, that moment when you are shouting, I'm the head of this house, I'm the head of this house. See, you're not helping anything. You're not helping anybody. She's not even listening. In fact, she's seeing it as pride. She's interpreting it as pride. And of course, when it comes to communication, that thing you want her to hear, if she's not giving it the right interpretation, it doesn't make any sense because you are still going to find yourself in that place of trying to make it appear like you are the head, like you are not seen as the head of the family. So when it comes to communication in relationship, what matters is how your partner perceives what you're saying. So communication is not complete until the person you are communicating to receives the right information you want them to receive or the right information you have at heart. So it's not about just shouting and screaming. For those of you that thinks that until you shout to your partner or shout at your partner, they will not grab it. Like shouting is never the better strategy to communicate to your partner in relationship. When you are shouting and screaming, you are passing a message. You're passing a message of hatred. You're passing a message of rejection. You're passing a message of lack of value. You're passing a message of lack of respect. So if you are nagging and nagging and nagging and shouting, you are not helping your life. You're not helping your relationship. You're not even helping anybody in the relationship. So if you really want someone to hear what you're saying or your partner to hear what you are saying, you have to calm down, like calm your nerves down. If you feel like that's not the right time to talk, maybe you are just all tensed up and all that. Then just take it easy. Like take it easy with yourself. Breathe in and breathe out and actually communicate the proper way you should when you are ready to do so. Because if you finish shouting and nagging and all that, and it ends up that your partner didn't grab what you're saying, then you wasted energy. And of course, I've chosen not to waste energy in my relationship. Like I'm learning how to stop wasting energy. Like I can actually channel my energy to the right things than shouting and nagging and all that. It doesn't pay off well because at the end of the day, you are still misinterpreted and the message wasn't grabbed. Even if the message was gotten, so many other things are. Your partner will be like, yeah, I heard you, but you hate me. You'll be surprised what the person is thinking. And of course, that's how, it all begins. Misunderstanding begins from a relationship because your partner is thinking that you don't love them because of the way you reacted, because of the way you are shouting. And maybe you have made it a consistent character to always shout and nag whenever you want to talk to your partner. It doesn't make sense. Whatever you want to say to your partner, find out the way they can listen to you, the way they can hear you better. And of course, use that medium to communicate.